Activate is just insanely useful to us because all of our customers are on AWS. And so this gives us, frontline support with which we can really understand the intricacies of AWS and make our product better suited to it so it'll be better for our customers. I'm Joe Doliner. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Pachyderm. Pachyderm has been around as a company actually trying to sell products for about a year now. Pachyderm is a system for doing containerized data analytics. Containers are a new tool in cloud computing that AWS has embraced heavily, and we've built a system that allows you to take these containers and use them to process huge amounts of data. A container is basically like a virtualized OS. It's this little package of data that represents everything you need to run a machine. What's really, really exciting about this is that they're a lightweight tool that people can use to distribute any tools that they want into the cloud. Every single time a user does something on a website, companies write that down because it's insanely useful to be able to analyze that later. Our tool should be useful to anybody who has that type of a problem. Pachyderm uses AWS as the main means to distribute our software. If you go on our site right now, you'll actually see right in the front a little deploy on AWS button, and that's the main way that people spin up our software and use it. Without AWS, we'd have to give people a harder path to installation, so it really allows us to connect directly to our users. AWS Activate, first off, helps startups like Pachyderm just by giving us a really simple, easy cache of credits to start on, not having to think like, oh, this is $5,000 of compute power here. Is really, really nice when you're an early stage company with two people that has a million things to worry about. Probably the biggest benefit has just been having people to talk to. We are very heavy AWS users. We use the nitty-gritty features that aren't at the top level, and having someone to talk to about those is insanely helpful. We're seeing about 200 Pachyderm clusters a month deployed just through our site using AWS. And that's, when you consider that these clusters might be 500, 1,000 nodes. That's actually pretty good numbers that we're happy with at this point. The biggest benefit that Pachyderm sees as a company is just that because so many people are already on AWS, that's a very low friction way to get them set up. They're really happy if you say it just deploys on AWS. Of course, there's also the general higher level benefits of this means you can go and click a button and have 1,000 machines in a data center at your availability. That's sort of the base, first level feature that AWS had, but that's still kind of amazing to me that I can do that. I couldn't do that 5 years ago.